Hello guys, Bruce here. My subscribers are crazy, wonderful. So today I got a box from Claus Lundberg. I believe that's, just a minute. Claus Lundberg from Denmark, if you can imagine that, eh? And it was mailed on, I think, about 5 weeks ago, and it finally got here. So that's really, really cool. And so we will just get on with the unboxing. Pardon me. Check. Hi Bruce, thank you for making your videos. Hope you enjoy this air gun. And there's the front of the card. Beautiful, huh? Let's see if I can pronounce that. Blomsterverden, Denmark. I think that's got something to do with blooming. Or maybe elusive spring here. Okay, so here we go. This is fun. Well, you know, I've had comments on the lack of quality of my air guns from lots of people. So that is pretty nice. JWL. And he said that this connector is way better than the cheap ones I've been using. So we'll find that out right away too. Make sure there's nothing else in there. No, that's it. Ah, okay. That'll go in there like that. Oh, I see. Oh, that's nice. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up on my coily one and set it up permanently on the bench, because all my other ones are not this style. But that is nice. Nothing like European quality, eh? And there's no difference in left or right hand. Thank you very much, Claus. It's really, really a nice surprise. I love it. Oh yeah, look at that. It just pops on. All right. Thank you very, very much. You rock. I'm just going to get it hooked up and we'll give it a go. Okay, Claus. I went back to this format. I'm going to use the coily on my for a supply, and then I can just pop this on. Because if you'll notice, I didn't notice this right away. Pardon me, but there is a little bit of connector leakage, and it's on all of them. Can you hear that? Alright, Claus, this is my final setup for now until I replace all of the other M-types. I'm just going to run it off the high pressure side of my compressor, not the regulated side, not this side, but on the not this side, but on the high pressure side of the regulator. And then I can also scoot out the door to clean stuff. Perfect. So it's one less thing I have to worry about. So thank you so much.